So these are the Ashwagandha gummies. These are 300 milligrams per serving. This will last you about a month because there's 60 of them in here and you take 2 a day. That's, if you take them every day. There is 300 milligrams of ashwagandha root per serving. And these are strawberry flavor. They taste really good too. Here's what the gummies look like. They're pretty big. You get to eat 2 of them. They are for adults and kids. Here are all of the other ingredients in there. There's some B12, vitamin C. We got some goji berry, some GABA, zinc, magnesium, and L-Theanine and chamomile, lemon balm, a lot of good stuff in here. What I like about these is that they are non-GMO. They are gluten-free. I can recommend them to family members who have celiac, which is awesome. They're dairy-free and they're vegan. So these are really high quality gummies and a great supplement to take.